I stand here in the pouring rain, thinking about the battles we overcame. Memories of laughter, tears we shed in this hero world where we break and mend. In the storm I feel your hand in mine, guiding me through the dark. You shine so bright. Every drop that falls, it speaks your name. In the rain, I'll sing this song of faith. Raindrops of hope, washing away the pain. In the downpour, I hear your voice again. Standing tall, together we remain. In the storm, our bond will never wane. I recall the day you took my hand, believed in me, made me understand. Through the trials, you never gave up on me. In the rain, your strength sets me free. The silhouette of the taste of bittersweet reminds me of the challenges we meet. In the echoes of thunder, I hear your call. In the rain, I give mine all. Raindrops of hope, washing away the pain. In the downpour, I hear your voice again. Standing tall, together we remain. In the storm, our bond will never wane. So here I stand under the sky so gray, grateful for you in every single way. With you by my side, I'll face any test. In the rain, I'll give my best. Raindrops of hope, washing away the pain. In the downpour, I hear your voice again. Standing tall, together we remain. In the storm, our bond will never wane. Raindrops of hope, washing away the pain. In the downpour, I hear your voice again. Standing tall, together we remain. In the storm, our bond will never wane.